subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from tech tutorials.
We are going to learn about an option called format painter. Format painter is nothing but we'll be copying the same pattern or any other thing which we have applied for the particular cell to another one. See, for this cell I have applied a different theme to fill in the color, font and its size and shape and size of font. I want the same things to be repeated into this column. So what I will do now is I will use format painter so that the entire thing I can clone it over here. So what I will do now is I will select the entire column. I'll click on format painter. I will come to the column where I need to paste the entire thing, where I need to clone it. I will release it now. See, it's done. Easy now. So guys, this is how you use format painter.